Hi everybody. For the next few weeks, you will be working on a second informational writing paper. So the first thing you need to do is choose a topic that you want to learn about and share. Could be an animal, a person, it could be exploring more about magnets, something that you can learn about by using the Hillcrest Library website or Epic and write a paper about. So that topic can be anything that you can write about after learning. Second, you'll want to start your note-taking page. So click here on note-taking page. Make sure you remember how to do that. The video there will walk you through those steps. Third, you'll want to start your research using the library website or Epic. So as you get started, you should take a look at the writing checklist, which is linked here so that you remember all the parts that you'll need at the end of your paper. And then what you'll be doing for this week is taking notes. And then next week you should start drafting your paper. So as you take notes, make sure you organize them. Again, make sure you watch the note-taking video just to refresh your memory. So organize your notes and make sure you have enough notes in each section of your paper so that you can write a paragraph about each section. So remember, your topic is your broad, overarching, the main thing that you're learning about, in your sections that you'll learn about in the note-taking video will be what you're going to teach me about those topics. So if your topic is, let's say, lions, your subtopics that you'll break out on your note-taking page might be habitat, prey, life cycle. If your topic is a person like Albert Einstein, maybe you want to break your paper up into subtopics like childhood, inventions, and things like that so that you can teach me about your topic in smaller chunks. Then you'll take your notes in those subtopics and then you will start drafting your paper. So you'll have about a week to take notes and then a week and a half, I think, 2 weeks to write your paper. And I will link videos so that you remember how to do an introduction, conclusion, and all of those things in future slides. Come see me if you have questions.